Hello again, Hopping Horuses. Welcome back to our challenge run where we're playing the whole game Inferno Online Solo with Limits. We are not on this mission, but this mission actually I've been practicing on the side with Ranger, and I don't know if it's possible, quite honestly. I tried just about everything you could think of on this mission. I tried Stampede, I tried C-70 bombs, I tried Shotgun Healing Bomb, I tried Railgun, I tried EMC Tank, I tried Helicopter, I tried everything. This mission is tough with Ranger just because his damage is not very strong, except for his C-70 bombs, I would say. But I don't know if I'll be able to do this mission with Ranger, unfortunately. But we'll see. Anyway, we are on mission 2023. So yeah, so this is exciting. I finally have access to the giant shotgun, so I'm going to be using that. The D79. This thing does 24,000 damage a shot, is that right? 8 times 3 is 24, and I think it's 24,000. Maybe not, who knows, but it's 24,000 probably. So I'm gonna take that, and I think what I need is, I need to have the frogs see me, so I need to pull them, because my idea is I'm gonna stand by some buildings and just have them come to me. So I need to pull them with something. So probably have to pull them with a missile launcher. As much as I don't want to do that, because it's a waste of a weapon slot. But I don't know if they'll see me or they'll know where I'm at if I don't. So I'm going to do that. So I'll take the prominence, just so I can shoot straight up in the air and not blow up my building. And then I'm going to take the 1000% collection ring, excuse me, so I can collect items. So I think I know a good spot. So I'm going to head over to the right side of the fountain here. I don't know if I need to take these guys, quite honestly. I think they're just going to be distraction for me for now until I get to my spot, and then I'll just head over there. I'm not too worried about needing help there, I think. We shall see. So I don't want them to see me, but I should be fine. So the landmark here is this fountain, and it's behind it, and there's like a pink sign on one of these buildings that has a good spot. It's the Hoto Jiyaya or something, whatever. Alright, Kaiser Foot, no. So this should be the fountain here. And then, is this the fountain? This should be the fountain. Yeah, and then there should be a sign that has that really tall building with a sign on it. Yeah, it's not that one, I don't think. I think it's more to the right here. Yeah, okay, it's behind this building right here, the Hoto Jia whatever. And the reason I'm taking this spot is because most buildings, when you stand in between a gap like this, there's going to be a gap on the other side and they can see you on either side, whereas this one just has a gap on this side and nothing behind you. So as far as I know, the frogs can't get back here because it's too narrow, but I don't know, we'll see. So let's go ahead and pull them with the prominence and hopefully give them the business with this new shotgun. I don't know if they already know where I'm at or not, but there's still some guys alive somehow. How's that possible? It's ridiculous. I don't think I'll be able to kill anything with this thing though. It's only 6K, I think. Oh come on, how are those guys still alive? They're just rangers. I know the frogs like to roll around sometimes and take cover on the side of buildings, which kind of elongates the process, but I think they just went down. Yeah, they just went down, okay. So now they should be coming here, hopefully. And hopefully I don't destroy my building. I'm hoping they'll walk down this street here, because watch them walk right on top of this building and kill me. Yep, this is where I was hoping they'd come from. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this shotgun feels like 24,000. Wow, that's pretty good. What are these guys doing? Oh yeah, just one-shot them. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Man, I should have kept some health items, but I'm hoping these frogs will know where I'm at. And as far as I know, there's no mortar frogs on this mission, so I shouldn't have to worry about them. Do you know where I'm at? Do you need some help? I think they don't know where I'm at. Well, I can fix that. No, they're coming. Maybe? Or maybe they're just roaming. No, they're coming. I don't know how they knew, but... What are you crazy guy? Oh my goodness. They're climbing up on top of the building. They can't get over here though, as far as I know. Look at him. He's so funny. Hi! Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, this shotgun. I love this shotgun. This might be more gratifying than using the explosive shotgun because it just... Look at that, he just went flying. Alright guys, come on over. It's safe. It's gotta be safe. Oh, it's not safe! Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to enjoy this for too much longer because they're gonna start introducing mortar frogs into the mix and then it's just rough. Oh my goodness. Hello. How you doing? Man, the sound design, I can't get over the sound design. I keep saying it's so good, but man, it's so good. Whoa, 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 be careful. Whoa! Uh-oh, this could get a little ugly. Oh, wow. Ooh, shotgun guy, I gotta be careful of him. He could probably one-shot me up close, maybe. I don't know. Is there one behind me now? No, that's his gun. Does anyone know what wada wada means? I keep hearing I keep hearing them talk and saying wada wada almost like all the time. I have no idea what that means. Look at this, it's crazy. It's not fair. Oh wow. I can't get past. Alright. Now we have more guys, but I think this is the end of the mission. I think it's just they make you think you have to fight more, but you don't. Where are you, dude? Alright, pretty simple. Oh, I love that laugh. My goodness. I hope they can beat that laugh in the English version, though. I really do. But, man, it's going to be tough. That is so good, that laugh. Whoever did that, man, they deserve a raise. Oh, my goodness. What's going on? Careful, guys. You can break a leg falling on the building there. Hi. What are you doing? You above me? Look at him, he's trying to get back here, but he can't. Maybe I do have to fight all these enemies. Okay, okay, I'm not reloaded. Oh my goodness. No, no, no! Uh-oh, 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 oh my goodness, oh my goodness. 200 health, 200 health, that's not good. You drop any health? Okay, good. Whew. My goodness, that was dangerous. That was so dangerous. Look at all these guys. Oh wow, look at all these. My goodness. They're just crawling over each other trying to get to me. They hate me. I don't understand. I'm just standing here doing nothing. Wow. This is so fun. Shotgun guy, I think. I'm actually safe in these bodies. Because they can't shoot through the bodies, whereas I can because of my shotgun. Oh, that hurt. Alright. He's stuck on the wall there. Oh, his gun is right there. No wonder he shot me a little bit. What is he doing? I think he's found a secret door. Okay, let's observe this guy up close to see how he. Look at him. His little hands holding that gun. What is he doing now? He's slowing down. You okay? I don't know what he's doing. I think he sees nothing. I think he thinks it's nighttime right now because his face is against the wall. Okay. We did it. Yeah, we did it. Alright, now the next mission is gonna be really fun. I love this mission, but I don't know if it's possible to do it with Ranger by myself, but I'm gonna find out. As much as I want to take the D79 on this mission, I don't think it's possible because of the spiders. At least if I'm taking Healing Bomb. I think I need Healing Bomb, quite honestly. And if that's the case, I'm probably going to have to take this shotgun instead. I mean, I could take C70 bombs, I could take impulses, but man, I love impulses. I'm sorry, I love impulses. I'm not sure I understand these. These have 11, they do 144 times 40. These are 8. I mean, they're not leveled up fully, but so these have longer range. They can look at longer ranges, whereas these have a shorter range, but they do less damage. These explode longer though, or are bigger. Because I'm thinking I would want a Healing Bomb, but I may not need a Healing Bomb necessarily. Well, let me just take what I want to take, which would be the D bomb or the D shotgun, and I'm going to take the impulses. I'll take 11 instead. And I need super sprint, of course, because we need to. But I think the D79 is going to be good on the first 2 waves. It's just the last 2 waves. I think there's 4 waves. I don't remember, but this tank has no hope. I wish I could just send him home right now because he's not going to make it. He's not going to even make it for a second. What's this good impulses here? Because that should help with the drones, the impulses, because my shotgun doesn't have good range. And I mean, obviously, I think the better shotgun would be the longer range shotgun, but I don't know. I kind of want to use this one. That looks bad. Look at all those guys. Once they're down, I'm in trouble, I think. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't take this shotgun. I feel like this is a mistake, this shotgun. because of the range. I'm going to switch out shotguns really quick. I think it's possible, though. I just want to take that shotgun as I love it so much. That's alright. This will be good on the drones, too, actually. I should run ahead because I don't want these guys to die as fast. I mean, I guess it's good that the D79 shotgun isn't like the all go-to only shotgun that's good, because this one's going to be good because it's for range. Like if the other one was good at all situations, then it would just be broken. It wouldn't be enjoyable. I'm glad that there's other options. I just been waiting so long for that shotgun. I wanted to use it again, but so after this is the red ants, and then after that's the spiders, and I think after that is all three. I want to say for spiders, I'm going to have to just run away and throw impulses. I might be able to fight a little bit, but not too much, because those things will destroy me too fast. But I'm curious how fast those impulses will actually do, how good they'll do. Oh wow, that hurt. Whatever that was. Maybe the fast reload shotgun would be better because I can not get hit. Or I can heal myself. I'll try it one more time. I think it's fine. I just need to be a little more careful. It's when I reload is the problem with this shotgun. I also need to remember how to play this game because I've been playing 2017 as well, on and off. I think the enemies slowly get harder though as well as you go higher missions. They hit harder and they have more health, I want to say. Pretty sure that's the case, but I don't recall exactly. Wow, they are all just yelling now from pain. Look at all those ants. My goodness, that's a lot of ants. What are you doing behind me? They like to flank. I mean, that's good though. It makes them tough. I'm a little concerned. That's a lot of enemies still. Just trying to get the health, but I guess I don't want it. Can I run? Yeah, I can run. I'm fast enough to run away. Okay, let's go get some health and then fight. Still quite a few enemies still, I'm surprised. More than I thought it would be for this. Alright. Alright. These drones hurt. I don't know if I have to kill everything to get to the next phase or not. I'm not sure how that worked. I forgot. I should lay these down. What am I doing? These things do a lot of damage. Yeah, that's pretty good. I still wish you could just lay him down, like while you're running, but I understand why that'd be too strong. Oh yeah, Gamescom is this week, Tuesday through Saturday, so I'm really expecting them to have a release date for EDF 5 for English version. I'm assuming they were going to bring it there because they didn't take it to E3 like I was expecting, so I would guess it'd be the perfect time, perfect place to bring the EDF 5 and to announce a release date for Europe, because I think it's actually in Germany. I want to say the Gamescom or something this time. Oh, here they come. Here comes enemies. But it's just reds, so what am I afraid of reds for? I mean, they can bite me pretty bad, but... I'm gonna try and get all their items, their healing items, over by me. Or by the other items here. It's a lot of guys. I'm curious if this is gonna be a problem for me. Look at that, I'm shooting every single one of them with every shot. It's so good. So good. Alright, yeah, we should be fine here. Oh yeah, this is easy. It's the drones that are hurting me here and there. That's the problem. Let me reload these while I have a chance. Okay. That'd be cool if they did a shadow drop, like at Gamescom, just like, it's out today. I don't think they would, I don't know if they would do something like that for EDF game. I feel like they need to do better advertising, but I understand advertising costs money. But this game is amazing. There are outlets that like this game though, such as I think Polygon likes this game, and I know there's someone at Game Informer that likes this game, and GameSpot I think as well. So I mean they'll get some coverage and some reviews. So I'm hoping that they'll get some more traction. All right, let's do this instead. It's easier. So these impulses seem to do more damage, but they also have more range, whereas the other impulses have less of a range, but they do less damage, which makes sense because they're closer when they set off. So I don't know. I like to know what the other ones are upgraded fully. Like, is it 11 and 11 or? See, that's just enjoyable to watch a trap go off. I don't know. That's my problem. I like the traps. I mean, these are definitely strong. It's just hard to lay them without taking damage. That's always my issue with these things. Okay, come on. I think the drones are going to be my biggest problem, honestly, for the next phase. I mean, if the spires are fast enough to catch me, then it'll be a problem, sure, as well. I mean, I don't know how fast they are without buildings here. That's something we're going to find out, I guess. It's a little concerning. I like to kill these drones while I have a chance, because those are going to be the ones chipping me away. Heal up here while I have a chance too. There's gotta be healing somewhere. Okay, that's a lot of spiders. Let's start getting away here. I like to heal up to full though. Okay, they're reloaded. So now we need to get to some... I wonder if there's buildings over here, or if those are outside the map. Because that'd be helpful. Would definitely be helpful. Let's just lay some here. Oh my goodness. Well, there's the buildings I can use. Okay, that's good. Look at it, they're already down already. That's so crazy. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think I'm able to kill him fast enough because these drones are going to keep damaging me. I do have buildings to work with, though. I need to remember that. I'm dead here, right here. Yeah, the drones. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use C-70s, I guess. And I knew that, too. I just... The problem is when you lay the impulses, you have to lay them close together because you have no time to lay them far apart. So there's no point in taking them because one enemy will set up like 2 or 3 of them, and then you're wasting, you know, the 11 total. So I think Stampede would be good here, actually, to be honest with you. Let's do that. Stampede, shotgun, sprint. I don't like the idea of the motorcycle because if your motorcycle blows up, then you don't have time to throw another one out and get away. So you're pretty much dead then. That's why I always am hesitant to take those. All right. I imagine Stampede will do a little bit more damage than the impulses, but I don't know. What I need to do is just walk away, pull the guys backwards so they're not getting hit the whole time, and just shoot Stampede over and over again. Oh yeah, look at that. Poor tank though, he's got no chance. That is the negative of drones. They're going to slowly be getting stronger and stronger. It's going to be tough to deal with them on higher missions because they're going to hit so hard. I should just help them out now with the shotgun. But yeah, I think if I sprint away from spiders and turn around and shoot the Stampede, that's going to be like half of them dead probably because they were like in a huge cluster. Huh, that was a little faster than the impulse strategy. I'm not sure why. I'm going to find a way to use impulses though. One day. But like I said, the only problem is you can't spread them out. So I don't know how they could fix that because, like I said, when you have a chance to throw them, you have such a short window that you have to throw them all down together, and they're so close together they set each other off. Multiple enemies, or one enemy sets off multiples. So how could you fix that besides having a lot more or reload in the background? Even that, reload in the back is not going to help you. Okay, let's just start shooting Stampedes over there. Walking backwards. Because these guys are bad at red ants. Alright guys, this way. Just wait for a drone to jump right in front of me as I shoot this thing. Alright guys, you can kill one together, right? You can't kill one together, can you? Here they come. Ooh, that dude almost gave it to me. I had to delay my Stampede and I actually hit my guys there too much. Look at that damage though. It's doing work. I'm gonna use a shotgun now. They're damaged enough. Let them go. Alright. I want to make sure that I'm ready for the spiders to start shooting stampedes in that direction, because I probably can kill most of them on the way over. Still have some guys alive, that's good. Any raw red ants? No. Okay, let's heal up now and get nearer to the spiders. Heal my guys up too a little bit. Although they have no chance with the spiders, so I don't know why I should waste healing on them, unfortunately. Reload this. Oh wow, nice job. Okay. Still no spiders yet, wow. Should be any moment. Alright, there we go. I don't know if I can hit him yet, but probably not. But alright guys, this way. This way, we can do this. I should be sprinting while I'm reloading. I still think the drones might be my problem. Man, they just love to stick their gun in your face. Come on. How far away are they? I'm hitting my guys. No, I'm hitting them. I'm hitting them. Oh my goodness, it's a lot of spiders. Let's go away. Still one guy alive out there somehow. Oh my goodness, spider butt just bounced over here. Okay, are they chasing me now? They must be. Let's get some health, just to be safe. Yeah, there's one more phase and it spawns like right here where I'm at. Oh my goodness, I can hear him, that's not good. Alright, there's a big health. Yeah, spiders are really close to me. Yeah, they're really close to me. Okay. Yeah, let's get stuck on the wall there. Okay, good. Get to some buildings here and then... No, I'll shoot. Oh yeah. That was good. Yeah, this is just as good as the C-70 bombs, maybe even better, because it's spread out more. I hear a frog. That was weird. There's no frogs on this mission. Oh, hi. He's just waiting there to show me. He was just waiting there for me to shoot the stampede. They must know I have stampede then. Alright, let's get some healing. We need some healing badly. Alright. I love how you get no slowdown from this item. This is so good. Now, certainly there must be some healing here. There's one, there's two. We need more than that. There we go. That'll fill me up. I think they surround you at the last phase, I want to say. I can still one-shot myself if I'm not careful. think I'm gonna start using my shotgun a little bit here now. It's these drones, you never can tell if it's a spider behind you or not because of the drones. It's so good. I really dislike these drones. I really do. Maybe they found out, like, through testing that if the drones don't get close to you, they don't do much damage, so they just program them to get close to you. I mean, it would make sense. And plus it helps if you have short-range weapons, you can also fight them. It's pretty good on drones. I'm surprised how well it one-shots them. I'm pretty sure it's another wave. I think it's from that corner over there. Yep. Alright, let's heal up here, and now it's, yeah, all three. So if anything, it's easier. Although there's a lot of drones. I wanted to get some health, but I can't walk and do that. Let's heal up here just to be safe. The ants are fast too, I gotta be careful of the ants. I can't enjoy my stampede work. Alright, I'm gonna get to some buildings and then start working on getting back to some healing items. Oh, that... Oh, good job! I was waiting for it. I was waiting for that. That's a lot of dudes, my goodness, look at that. That's a lot of dudes. Like, a lot of dudes. Like an excessive amount of dudes. I'm gonna have to pull them through some buildings here a second. Oh, I thought I didn't know I was at the end of the map there. Oh yeah. Look at all those enemies, my goodness. Okay, we got red ants. Gotta be careful of that, because if a red ant gets me, then I'm in trouble because it'll make me have to stay in the middle of the pack for a while, and then once I get free, like right, yeah, that's what I need to be careful of. 'Cause it's gonna be tough to get away from the enemies when I'm getting bitten by red ants. So I gotta strafe a little bit, hopefully, so that they miss. Oh my goodness. I hate the red ants. That's the only thing that scares me right now. They're so fast. Why are you so fast? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. That's what I was afraid of. Alright, so it's gonna be C-70s. Oh yeah, C-70 bombs. Shotgun. Yeah, probably still shotgun because it's too good to not use. Alright, let's go forward, throw some C-70 bombs. Alright guys, come back. I don't want to hit you. Little more. Little more. Come on guys, come back. Oh yeah, wow. It's a little good. I guess motorcycle would have been probably safer to use, but I just don't feel comfortable using that weapon or the vehicle a lot. I wish they would call them in faster. Like for example, I think like the depth crawler, how it calls out in a cave. I think that's how they should call out the motorcycle for Ranger. Let's get ready for the reds here. Okay. How are the reds not out yet? I don't think it's time-based. I mean, I did kill these enemies awful quick. Maybe it is time-based. Huh, I think it is time-based actually, because or it's possible. Because I don't remember this many drones, or this few drones out when I did it last time. So my bombs are right here, so I'm going to lead them to a line right here. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Let's do it now. Oh, yeah. That is so cool. They don't like to come out together, that's for sure. They seem so slow, which is weird. But when you're running away from them, they seem so fast. I don't understand why. I didn't kill hardly any with the C-70 bombs, apparently. Alright, I want to get back to the items. Still want to watch and see if those guys ever fight while they're in the ant's mouth. I don't think they do. I mean, I guess they do throw them down eventually, though, to be fair. Alright, a few more, and then spiders should be coming. I kind of want to hit them, cluster them up together in a group, but I don't know if I'll be able to at the beginning. And I could set up my bombs early here. I just don't know where they come from. I mean, I know where they come from. I don't know where they spawn at. I'm gonna go ahead and run ahead and kill a few, maybe. I would like them to spawn now. Come on. Of course I'm reloading. There we go. Oh wow. That's a lot of spiders. Okay, let's start running here. Alright guys, you might want to be running the other direction. I was just kind of kidding. Kill anything? Think so. I don't know, I should have. Let's get him right in here. Oh wow, those guys are getting destroyed. I think they're all dead now. Oh, yeah, I think I hit a few. So what you can do is you can just throw one bomb. It's still good enough. Don't really need to do more than one. I just want to make sure I don't hit myself. That's the biggest thing. Alright, yeah, there's not too many left, looks like. Yeah, wow, I killed just about all of them. Oh wow, nice job. Heal up a little bit here. That was a little dangerous. Alright, I could probably fight with my shotgun now. Kill a lot of drones with the bombs too, which is nice. Oh, good job. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run forward towards the next spawn. And get ready for that so I can put my bombs out. Another spider, okay. Any more? This should go a lot easier now with these bombs. Alright. I think I'll go ahead and lay them here and get ready for it. Make a nice long line. Man, these drones. I hate these drones. No, I guess it's not time-based. Because they would have been out by now, I think. Okay, now where are my bombs at again? I think they're somewhere over there. Wow, he was so close. It's so funny. That should be good enough to start laying them off. Alright. Try and kill some of these drones with that one. Alright, this should be a good one. Wow, they're so fast. I never know. I'm always afraid to set them off. I never know when it's safe. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, still have too many reds probably following me, that's the problem. Look at that drone! So disrespectful, my goodness. I think we're good now. I still want to get some healing though, for sure. Alright, it's so hard to see how many enemies are chasing you. Wow, they're so slow. It's all spiders, okay, that makes sense. Okay, that's just about everything. Oh, there's some reds, okay. I need to be careful here. Let's run. Ooh wee. Get away from me. Ugh. Boom. Alright, we should be fine now, right? Kill all these spiders around me first. I didn't want to go to the C70 tactic because it's like it's always used, but I think he kind of had to. He didn't have to, but made it a lot tougher. If one of those reds, that would have been fine, I think. They're just too dangerous. Pretty easy though. Alright, 2 more and we got it. My shotgun's got good range. Ah. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. One up. Ooh, that's my super acid gun. I want the range to go up though still. Alright, first time you see mortar frogs, so this one's gonna be pretty simple as well. What do we have looking at here, coming up here? 26 is rough, very rough. And 27's fun. Alright, well we got a few coming up that are pretty easy, but yeah, 26 could be rough. We'll see. But yeah, that'll be it for this episode. So once again, thanks a lot for watching, and remember, EDF doesn't leave a man behind, ever. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing, as that does make a big difference. Thanks a lot.